Hey guys, I'm back on the road again. We got potentially a really good setup this evening that is taking shape right now. Models were forecasting a very strong line of thunderstorms to form in northwest Arizona and eventually push across the Colorado River into California. The cluster of storms were to form over northwest Arizona around the area of Kingman and Lake Havasu and then propagate southward along the Colorado River Valley. That is actually taking place right now as the first of those storms have gone severe and they are about to hit Lake Havasu city area right now. So right now I'm on Interstate 10 in the Coachella Valley area near Indio heading east, and I should have an intercept here pretty soon. So I should be able to intercept some pretty strong to severe storms between Desert Center and Blythe. So stay tuned and let's see what happens. I'm out here in Desert Center, California, about 40 miles from the California-Arizona border near the town of Blythe. And I'm looking off in the distance here, right at the southern flanking line of a very, very large line of severe thunderstorms that are moving west towards me. This cell right here, which it's kind of hard to see, but there it is right there. It is actually has supercell characteristics to it. There's features on it that it's got striation. It looks like what might be a wall down below it. It's in a perfect position for this to be, occurring. Is what we call tail end Charlie. It's the southernmost end of this line of severe thunderstorms that's moving in. So I'm going to keep an eye on this thing because this thing looks absolutely dramatic, and I don't know. I don't have any other words to say other than let's do this. Southern end, tail end Charlie of a line of severe thunderstorms, which are lined up along the Colorado River, about 40 miles in the direction that I'm looking at right now. This cell right here has supercell characteristics. Just utterly gorgeous. God, there's a Haboob back in there. All right, guys, I am literally on the leading edge of this line of severe thunderstorms. I've already captured a Haboob. It probably about 15-20 miles to my north. And there's another Haboob in the line of storms that is just about to come over me. So get ready and we'll see what'll happen. The outflow wind is starting to pick up. I might be about to get hit. Oh my God. Holy crap! I'm going to give you guys an update what happened. There was a huge haboob. I got pictures of the northern flank of it. The flank that was coming at me was barely visible underneath the storm because the sun had set, so there was very, very low light. When it hit me, it was rather sudden. I had to pack all my cameras up and I had to leave, and then everything just all hell broke loose after that. The storm rode over me, lightning, a lot of heavy rain. So right now what I've been trying to do is I've just been trying to now outrun it and get back ahead of it toward the west. I did stop a few times trying to see if I could shoot lightning. It was just impossible. All the lightning was strobing inside the storm. Not a lot of ground strikes, and even if that, it just was too difficult to see with the rain. But as I'm driving west, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a lot of lightning flashing in front of me, and there's a lot behind me. I'm just trying to see if I can get out of this rainy mess. That's where it's at right now. I'm westbound on Interstate 10, approaching Chiriaco Summit. Maybe I can get off an Eagle Mountain in the next one. There's a lot of good lightning to my left. I'll try to see if I get the next exit. This line of storms is so far the biggest. Wow, that was neat. There was so much lightning in the storm that it was literally strobing overhead like a freaking disco strobe. But it was all inside the storm, so. Oh my God. Uh-oh. So the storm was pretty dramatic in the beginning when I got to my intercept point. Had a nice haboob. Was able to pull over along Interstate 10 just before Chiriaco Summit and get a few bolts of lightning. I waited there a while. There was a lot of lightning flashing and got a few good ones out of there. So line of storms are moving across the mountains, mostly into San Diego County right now. There's a few that's trying to make it over into Riverside County on the west side of the mountains. Well guys, I'm heading home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.